this video, a review of Dewy+Smooth foundation of Maybelline. And I got this from an online shop with some Maybelline. Fitme. Ang shade ko is 125. So, the claim of this foundation in our skin. Dewy+Smooth Fitme Foundation with UV protection SPF 23. It is for normal to dry skin type. And 30 ml. So, sabi dito is lightweight, breathable foundation. Hydrates and smooth skin texture. Natural dewy finish. And meron siya ng UVB protection. O, yun ang nakalagay dito. It's a bottle. This time, meron siya ng pump. At matitipid mo na yung product. So, ito try natin siya. Ito. Formulation niya is a bit watery and sticky in between. Hindi naman siya gano'n ka-watery, hindi naman siya gano'n ka-sticky. So, in between, let's start now. And, so, ito yung ilalagay ko. It's a precision formula. Hydrating ang purpose nito sa ating skin. So, ito yung pinili ko i-apply sa face mo like this on the top. To make sure na ma-absorb siya ng skin natin. Ma-absorb yung product. Okay, under eye kasi okay. Ito naman yung mayroong pimple covered naman. Tapos na apply ko ng foundation. I forgot to on my camera. Oh my goodness. Ayan, na-apply ko na siya. Gagamitin natin dito sa kabila brush. And then dito sa left side naman, ang gagamitin ko is yung sponge. Tingnan natin kung alin yung maganda. Okay? Parang medyo maitim. You're going to buy a foundation. Make sure na undertone nyo yung susundin nyo yung shade. Para maging pantay yung yung foundation nyo. Kasi merong mga skin tone na magkaiba yung tone ng nila. Iba yung tone ng face nila sa leeg nila. So, ganun ako Iba yung kulay ng sa leeg ko, iba yung kulay ng sa face ko. Yung iba naman, they're lucky because pantay yung nila, yung skin tone. Pagka-acidic ka, kailangan one shade lighter. May tendency yung foundation na nagiging darker siya. Okay, and that's it. Na-apply ko na siya sa aking right side. Pero ano lang yun? Isang pa lang siya. Isang layer pa lang siya. And then, hindi pa naman niya lahat. Maganda pa blend ng foundation ang mga ganitong klase ng brush. Dense siya and then maiksi lang siya. Flat brush. Para mabiblend mo siya yung foundation sa mukha. On the left side, gagamitin ko yung this one. Gagamitin ko to sa left side. Alin ang maganda. Ayan ang niya brush. Ito yung brush at ito naman yung sponge. Titingnan natin. Okay, my thoughts about the two applicators that I used. Yung paras naman niya napalabas yung dewyness na sinasabi ng foundation. So, I'm just telling you how my experience with this foundation, with these applicators that I've used in front of you. And that's all my thoughts about the foundation. I'm loving the foundation because it looks your skin healthy because of the glowiness that coming from the foundation. And there are some girls na gusto nila no medyo konting dewyness sa mukha nila para it looks like healthy. Yung iba naman ayaw nila kasi gusto nila yung matte finish. So ito, ginawan ko to ng review just to show you how this foundation works on my skin. So as of the moment, I'm loving the foundation, and then later i-update ko kayo kung ano magiging performance nito for the rest of the day. It's for 21. I'm done applying the foundation. So, i-finish ko lang siya ng setting powder. My setting powder is an EYESHADOW Creamy Glow. Nawala yung dewiness when I apply setting powder. Let's see later. Update ko kayo kung may dewiness pa rin naman nagaganap dyan. Ayan, meron pa naman siya. Even I put some powder. Bumalik naman siya. Pero it's not like the same after applying the foundation without the... So at least meron siya ng konting dewiness na lumalabas. Hindi ko pa ito na-try. That's why I bought this one. Fine and Blend Broken. Ang kinuha kong shade is Natural Brown. So, let's see. Meron siya ng spoolie to make your brow before putting your brush nyo muna siya. And then you can use also this for blending. Ayan yung spoolie niya. And then on the other end, meron siya ng retractable. Ayan yung ano niya. Let's see. If you want naman to get darker, you can add some more Okay, next is, I also buy this from online shop. It's a Dupe Smokey Obsession. Ito, and then magnetic yung ano nyo. And then, ito yung mga shades niya. Swatch natin siya. Hindi siya ganun ka-pregnant. I'm done with my makeup tutorial, and then so ito yung look na ginawa kong tutorial. It's key obsession ng Huda, yung ginamit ko sa aking eyes. Tayo ng Maybelline Dewy+Smooth. So later i-update ko kayo kung nandyan pa naman yung dewyness niya, and then yung coverage niya for me is medium coverage lang siya, kasi hindi naman niya lahat natakpan ang mga kailangan takpan. To put this one, I wanna try this Vice Ganda. Supposed to be no need to try this one kasi nagtara tayo ng dewyness na. Still, I want to use this. See? Okay, I'm done. Hello fairies, I'm back, and for the final update, it's almost 5 hours after I finished applying the foundation on my face. My thoughts about the foundation is, at first, application, really it's good and lightweight. You feel that ang gaan sa pakiramdam na parang you never feel that you're wearing foundation. And then after application, yung skin ko naging naging smooth, naandun yung dewiness niya after application. Meron siyang natural dewiness effect sa face natin. Okay, meron siya ng transfer sa tissue na ginamit. Ito pa naman yung dewiness niya. Andyan pa rin naman siya. Ito, ano to highlight yan This one is the dewiness that I'm on my cheeks here. And then here. Very minimal na oil ang nakuha ko. I rather prefer sponge application kasi smooth ang ano niya rather than the brush. Eyeshadow, intact pa rin naman yung ano niya. Ayan, andyan pa rin naman siya. And then yung it's 100% fan ako ng lipstick ng Maybelline. 16 hours wear. O kumain na ako ng something na oily din siya. Pero ayan pa rin siya. Nothing change. And yung eyebrow, very natural ang dating niya. Ayan. So parang wala lang akong nilagay. So natural. Maganda to for everyday use mo. For a glam up purpose, kailangan medyo dagdagan ng konti yung gawing darker ng konti. Yun. Ayan yung pinaka-thoughts ko for almost 5 hours. Thank you so much to all of you. Nakatulong ako. Just give me a thumbs up. And sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, please press the bell button and the subscribe button for watching my videos. Thank you so much. And I love you all. And God bless us all wherever you are. That's all, fairies. And sana nagustuhan yung makeup look na to. It's all for now. Thank you so much. I love you all.